Nica Seno from Sunago Research 2021 of Claret Research Team. Our research study is entitled Reverse Allic Cropping by Phytoremediation using Canna generalis for slash and burn rehabilitation, a product of Sunago Research Project 2021 with Lebanese, Japan in collaboration with secondary schools from Philippines, Malaysia, Singapore, and Japan. Slash burn technique is a traditional agricultural method of cutting down vegetation and burning lands for temporary soil fertilization. The use of slash burn technique is widely used in agricultural lands, specifically in Southeast Asia, to cultivate lands for faster vegetation, thus leading to various complications such as decrease in soil quality and toxic contamination. This study proposed an alternative planting system known as reversed allic cropping system using Canna generalis, phytoremediation or CGP, patterned from Inga allic cropping system to fix and rehabilitate slash burn lands. Randomized experimental research design is used to gather soil samples with standard laboratory analysis on 2 experimental location sites, A. Barangay Calabasa, Quran District, and Claret School of Zamboanga City. Plant and soil samples from experimental sites were taken to Plant Quarantine Service, Bureau of Plant Industry and Regional Soils Laboratory, Department of Agriculture respectively, for plant identification and chemical laboratory analysis to determine the efficacy of the proposed planting system using various soil chemical parameters such as pH, organic matter and carbon, NPK levels, and soil characteristics.
Hi, I'm Daniel Hernandez, and according to our experimental results, it shows that in Site A in Calabasa, Curuan posed a significant decrease in the same parameters used by the Department of Agriculture, especially on organic carbon, which is 3.69%, and organic matter at 3.69%. Nitrogen levels are at 0.32%, phosphorus levels are 11.05%, and the potassium levels is at 392.16 levels using Canna generalis phytoremediation. On the other hand, experimental results shows that in Site B in Claret School of Zamboanga City, it shows that there's a significant decrease in the amount of organic carbon at 2.29% and the organic matter at 1.33%. The nitrogen level is also at 0.11%, where the phosphorus level is at 17.13%, where the potassium level is also at 191.23% levels when it exposed this certain plantation into Canna generalis phytoremediation. Overall, it shows that Canna generalis phytoremediation attributes an immense potential of rehabilitating slash burn lands using soil neutralization for safe and sustainable farming, especially nowadays that we are experiencing various changes in the climate. And in the green economy of the sustainable cities, NPK levels in sustainable farming should be within the normal range of parameters. In totality, results from the Site A and Site B, particularly at Calabasa, Curuan, and Claret of Zamboanga City respectively, on the experimental sides, it shows that there's a display of shift of the nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium or the NPK levels after a month of monitoring, portraying that Canna generalis phytoremediation system is an effective in neutralizing soil composition and its parameters, particularly in recovering soil fertility of slash and burn lands, along with other environmental factors such as weathering systems and other climate sources. Thank you very much. This is Claret Research Team from the Bioremediation Research Group and Sunago Research Project of Claret School of Zamboanga City saying, imagine, innovate, and inspire. Scientia maxime cum virtute, knowledge is forth at its best with virtue.